Sketch the graph of y equals negative x plus 3 cubed minus 27, clearly labelling any axial intercepts and the point of inflection with their coordinates. So when the equation is in this form, we can immediately determine what the point of inflection is. To find the point of inflection, we let x plus 3 equals 0, which gives x equals negative 3. So that's the same as a translation of 3 units in the negative x direction. And then we'll have y equals negative 27, which is the same as a translation of 27 units in the negative y direction. Therefore, the coordinates of the point of inflection are negative 3, negative 27. Next, we can determine the y-intercept of the graph, and we do that by letting x equals 0. So we will have y equals negative 0 plus 3 cubed minus 27. So y is going to equal 0 cubed is 27, so we'll have negative 27 subtract 27, which equals negative 54. So the coordinate is going to be 0, negative 54. Finally, we can calculate the x-intercepts of this graph by letting y equal 0. And when we do that, we get 0 is equal to negative x plus 3 cubed minus 27. If we add x plus 3 cubed to both sides of the equation, we get x plus 3 cubed is equal to minus 27. Therefore, we find that x plus 3 is equal to the cubed root of negative 27. Finally, we can subtract 3 from both sides of the equation to get x by itself. And that gives x is equal to the cube root of negative 27, which is negative 3, subtract 3, which equals negative 6. Therefore, the coordinates of the x-intercept is negative 6, 0. And because of this negative symbol here, we know that it's going to be a negative cubic graph, and that means that the shape will be something like that. So on the actual graph, we're going to have this being the shape. And we know that the x-intercept was at negative 6, 0. The y-intercept was at 0, negative 54. And the point of inflection here was at negative 3, negative 27. On this page, we've got a computer to graph the rule. And as you can see, it's a little bit more accurate than our by hand graph, but all of the key features have the same coordinates, and a negative cubic graph is going through all 3 of those points.